grade supervisor guy from Carlson. He knows everything about it.
Not everything, but hopefully lots of things.
And we've got a ProMark 500 here on a short pole. We're going to talk about the different ways that you can integrate it on a construction site. So one thing, if you're a surveyor and you're doing staking, take a Mobile Backer CX. This connects by Bluetooth up to this receiver. Runs Fast Survey, which is Carlson Surf CE. Excellent solution for surveying stakeout, roading,
computations,
intersections, everything a surveyor would want to do. I'll tell you, Fast Survey Carlson Surf CE is probably the most well-accepted piece of survey software. We've got this solution for surveyors, but for someone who's driving around in their pickup truck, look at this. And then they're going to get out and do a little bit of grading. They can put this is a Windows XP
based or Vista compatible. And so this is more for construction site management. So you've got a real-time cut and fill, can process large surfaces, up to 50 megabyte surfaces, which normally would choke down a CE device.
Right. And with this device, if you've got DWG files, as long as they're 3D, you just put them on an SD card, load them up, or Ethernet. It's got Ethernet, Wi-Fi.
Absolutely.
So you just bring them in, hook them up, and you're good to go out and stake.
Absolutely. And another feature of the cut and fill grade supervisor package is that there's another product inside of this called Heartbeat. So if I were to have a machine control system, or in the future, even a fast survey system, I can turn Heartbeat on each of these devices and everyone sees each other on the surface. And there's a lot of reasons and applications for that. So you can, let's say that, let's say it's a construction site, and I've got I'm in a fuel truck, and I've got 4 machines I need to take fuel to. I can actually pull up, navigate real time to those machines, especially on a large site or a mine.
Or a paintball.
Yeah. Or a paintball.
Yeah, we could use it for our command decision system. Yeah.
You know, we'll have to charge extra for that feature.
Oh, okay. But paintball, yeah. And now, this Bluetooth's up to the head, just
Absolutely.
like the other terminal did.
Absolutely.
But it's got more processing power, more flexibility.
More hard drive space.
It's set up for grades kind of stuff. How big's the drive on this?
This one is 8 gigabytes, but you can get up to 32 gigabytes and expand it with SD cards.
So, and this is not really the toughest thing I've ever seen. It's got holes in it.
Right. If it's going to stay in a pickup truck for a site inspector, site supervisor,
and
this is fine.
The screen on this is beautiful.
Right, and we have a suction cup so that it can stick to the window in the truck, pop off and go on the rod if they need to get out of it. This is a new, I think it's IP56, IP55, something like that, I'm not sure. But it's much more ruggedized, 1.2 meter drop on concrete. Panasonic's got a great name for building a rugged, tough-looking computer. That's exactly.
It's got to be something.
This has the 3G GSM support built in. You select your carrier. It has 802.11a, B, G, and N compatible. 16 or 32 gigabyte hard drive options. So it's very, very powerful. The really good sunlight readable display. So again, in the pickup truck for the site surveyor, setting up a base station in the morning, Bluetooth, driving volumes, driving and comparing and doing volume computations for invoicing, or put it on the ProMark GPS rod, or when you're ready and you've got a dozer doing flat pads, take this, mount it inside the dozer, and either mag mount this on the dozer or go back to the MB500 that we talked about earlier with an external antenna.
Yeah.
So it's very
ProFlex. We do the ProFlex.
Yeah.
Fold it to the dozer.
Yes.
And then hard cable it in. And then this was still Bluetooth or hard.
That's right. And that way, if you're a small operation, you can go from pickup truck to the grade checking rod to the machine. Same interface, same surface files.
This is a real system.
It's extremely open, flexible, and scalable.
This is neat.
So, and then the nice thing is, if you're not ready for the full investment, it allows you to get into grade checking at one price and scale above. So you have more product options to get involved.
And if I get in on the low end of grade checking, then when I go to the next step, all the software looks the same.
Looks the same.
Because I'm too old to learn anything new.
Well, you're not alone.
Okay.